Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start inside the Play Store, tap your profile icon top right and go straight to Settings, then Notifications. This shows notification channels, updates, offers, developer messages, and security. You need this view to control what the app can push because Android routes notifications per channel. Turning a channel off stops that type of alert. Once you see the channels, make sure you note which ones matter. App updates versus promotional messages. Now prepare to change each channel to match your preference. You now toggle channels one by one. Tap a channel like offers or updates and flip it off, or set it to silent so it doesn't make noise. If you want finer control, long press the Play Store icon, open App Info, then Notifications to adjust priority, badges, or lock screen visibility. Changing app-level settings ensures system-level suppression. Once done, double-check that background and security alerts remain as you prefer. Some security notices may be important, so make trade-off. Finish by restarting your device to ensure the new notification rules take effect. Android sometimes delays enforcement until a reboot. If a channel still appears, go back to App Info, clear cache, and if needed, clear data for Play Store. Making sure you understand this may reset some preferences. If notifications continue after reinstalling Play Store updates, check system notification settings or test in safe mode to isolate conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if you must, toggle Play Store permission changes one at a time to pinpoint the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.